area potentially contaminated with explosive devices. Stay on roads. Do not disturb any items. All right, we're going to the checkpoint. Look at this, y'all. This is amazing. What's funny is that I was debating whether to come here or not. I ain't going to no cave, man. I sleep in the Subaru. I got my own cave. In this episode, I'm diving into a spiritual journey of discovery and amazement. As I stood in awe of this incredible beauty of our country, I couldn't help but feel humble, just a tiny speck in the grand design of the universe. This stop on my cross-country journey became a moment of deep reflection, a meditation on how blessed I've been and how grateful I am. Through every challenge, come hell or high water, I remain thankful. Join me as I explore not just the land, but the soul of this incredible journey. Look at this, y'all. This is amazing. All right, we're going to the checkpoint. White Sands National Park. White Sands. Let's see what's going on here. Look, there's the fees. Private vehicle. $25. Lifetime passes. Free. Military. Interagency. Veterans free. Oh, we get the free, y'all. So we're gonna drive all the way down here. There's a little pull off here too. We should see what that little thing is. Then we're gonna go here, right? They got the dunes there, and they got the heart of the dunes right there. We're gonna pull in there, and we're gonna walk in the heart of the dunes. Oh man, my nails are dirty. Anyway, the sky is so blue. I don't know if that's what's going on with the sky. The clouds are perfectly positioned. Soft shoulder. What's that say? No stopping anytime. People want to stop and get their photos. Look at the mountains back in the background. Wow, can you paint something like this, right? The creator can definitely paint. Look, y'all, it's all like changing to sand right now. You are now driving on sand. Watch out for machines, people, and weather. Dogs on leash, no collecting, no alcohol, no driving off-road. Wow, look at this, man. We are on the sand now. Oh, wow. Looks like snow, right? What's funny is that I was debating whether to come here or not. I'm so glad I did. I am absolutely amazed. I'm glad I came here. I was debating whether to come here or to the caves and caverns. I ain't going to no cave, man. I sleep in the Subaru. I got my own cave. Too cool. Here we go, yo. Going into the sand. Had to change my shoes up on them. Put these shoes on. I'm laughing because I'm acting like I'm ready. I ain't ready. I know I'm going to the top of the hill, though. Look at this, man. I need my camel. I need my camel with me. All right, which way did I park the car? It's so quiet out here. You gotta whisper. Family, I'm here hiking at White Sands National Park, and once again, I think I said it before that I'm so glad I made the decision to come to this national park. It was just something I'm glad I actually got an opportunity to see here in New Mexico. New Mexico is another beautiful state. There are so many of them. And I'm just going to sit here, man, and enjoy the beauty of this landscape. And so amazed that there's like vegetation can grow in this sand. Absolutely amazing, man. Hope you guys are enjoying this view. You don't have to talk loud out here because it is so quiet. Listen. All right, let's go up here. All right, I thought this was the highest dune, but it looked like that dune over there is a little higher than this one. So I think I want to hit that right there. These are the type of dunes you can fall off the edge. See that? Look at that sand still going. Look at that. Wow. Whew. All right. Getting off the beaten path here. I'm gonna go to that high dune. Check it out. Woo! This is, oh, that looks steep. I don't know if I could take it from this way. That looks pretty steep. Let's take this from the edge. Well, man, next stop, El Paso, Texas. There go Betsy. I found her. We were kind of lost out there for a minute, but I wasn't scared. Time to get in here and drive, stop somewhere, have an apple for breakfast. Goodbye, White Sands National Park. We're gonna see you a little bit later. Yo, look at this. They about to go to the top of that dune right there and they're gonna slide down. They sliding down with the sleds, man. There's one sled going to the road. Do not touch any strange objects. Sometimes military planes drop dangerous objects on our dunes. Wow. Yo, I I so want to stay here tonight. I mean, not because of that, but I bet the stars will be absolutely awesome here, man. I bet. All right, it says here, warning, entering active test range, area potentially contaminated with explosive devices. Stay on roads, do not disturb any items. Oh, wow. So this could be bombs and stuff around here, y'all. We going to Missile Park right now. Wherever that's at. They test missiles around here, man. This is really interesting. They don't want you walking out there in that green stuff. I'm about to bust a U-turn though. I do not want to go down here. On my cross-country trek, I crossed the Continental Divide twice. The Continental Divide is a north-south mountain ridge in western North America that separates water drainage flowing east to Hudson Bay, the Mississippi, and the Rio Grande from that of water flowing west to the Pacific. It follows the Rocky Mountains through Canada and also the US, extending into Mexico and Central America.